Well, good morning, everybody out there in YouTube land. This morning we're going to cover a little information on how to scale a load when you've either got a mass scale or a single axle weight scale. We're going to pull around here to the back of the building. I got my trainee driving the truck, and we're going to show him how to scale a load with using this method, as well as kind of shoot a little video of it to show you guys that ain't never done this before how to do this. Just want to go ahead and proceed around the building here. They got a speed limit of 15 miles an hour. Get around here to the back side of the building and get through a scale. Go ahead and stay to the right here. This entire right lane is yours. Go wide through your turns. Watching your tandems as you go through the turns. As you see off there to the left, see that little white house over there?
Okay.
And that truck that's sitting out there, that truck's sitting out there on the scale. That's where we're going. Stay wide left. Just make your right turn onto the scale. Get your trailer straightened out before we go on the scale. Stop here, wait for him to get on the scale. Got an ag trailer there, and he had to go in and get a ticket. He's got to get a weight ticket to verify his in weight and out weight. That's the way they do their procedure. It's a little different than ours. Okay, if you look over there to the left, you'll see those numbers there. He's at 91,260 pounds. That's his gross weight. Now what we're going to do here is we're going to roll up onto the scale, and we're just going to put our steers up on the scale, and then we're going to stop. Wait for him to fully exit the scale before you get on it. Okay, he's exited the scale. Go ahead and pull forward and put your steers on the scale. And just your steers and steers only. Come to a stop. We're going to wait for the scale to balance. There, we got 11,860 pounds on our steers. Now we're going to roll forward, and you're going to put your drives on the scale as well without getting your trailer tandems on the scale. Slow down. Stop. Wait for the scale to balance. We're at 45,000. Pen didn't want to write. We're at 45,640.
45,600.
580.
Yeah. Now 560.
Did it change on me?
Keeps changing. Went down to 560 now. 540.
We're getting lighter as we speak.
Yeah.
I'm going to stick with 45,580. Okay, let's go ahead and roll forward. Get your entire truck on the scales, get a gross weight. Okay, and our gross weight is 78,260. You think it stopped moving?
Yep.
Okay, here's what we do. You got your 45,000. Well, first of all, your steers were 11,860. Combination of your steers and your drives is 45,580. So you take 45,580 and you subtract 11,860 from that. And you get 33,720. So you're at 33,720 on your drives. How much fuel do you have on board? Look at your...
Oh, we're just under 3/4.
Just under 3/4. We want to know that to see how much fuel that we can add. Okay, now we take the total, the 45,580, and subtract it from the gross weight, the 78,260. Didn't want to write. So we got 32,660 on our trailer tandems. So we're about 1,100 pounds heavier on our drives than we are on our trailer. And if we got about 500 pounds per hole on the pin of our tandem when we slide our tandems, so we should be able to slide our tandems 2 pins backwards. And it should just 1,000 pounds of weight back to our... That would be the full weight. Let's only do it 1 pin back. Let's go ahead and get off the scale, move our tandems, and then we'll come back and verify our weights. Yeah, just go over there to the far side. You'll see a parking area over there. Parking area is just past this intersection. You want to get all the way.
Right there.
Stay on the pavement. Just go over here. Once that you get around this turn and you got your tractor and trailer straight, be as far to the right as you can be, and we're going to slide tandems. Stop right here. Got your trailer fairly straight.
A little more be straight. Right there.
Okay, set your brakes. Jump out and go pull your pin. Trainees pulling the pin on the tandems to release the pins. Training's coming back into the truck. Did you mark your pinhole by chance?
The one right behind, correct?
No, if we're going to adjust our weight back to the trailer, we're going to pull the tandems forward, correct? So we're going to have our trailer brake set, and we're going to back onto our tandems one pin. So we're going to move backwards while the trailer's set. Release your tractor brake. Then reverse. Let her creep on her own. And just as she starts to move, just let her creep a little bit. Okay, you're going to have to give it a little fuel to get it to creep. Stop. That's enough. Go ahead and release your trailer brakes. Go ahead and let her roll backwards just a little bit. Stop. Go ahead and set your trailer brakes. Put it in reverse again. Roll back till she catches a pin. Pull backwards till you feel it hit a pin.
I think it did hit the pin.
Push. There, it hit a pin. Okay, let's go on right. Let's go on the scale again. Let's go one more time.
Make sure we're in the right spot. Go on the scale.
I'm fairly confident that's where we are.
Okay.
Let's go ahead and pull on the scale. Verify our weights one more time. Steers only on the scale, just like we did last time. Stop. Now we're at 11,900 on the steers.
It keeps going down. We're down to 11,760 now.
11,760.
Yeah. Keep going down.
What is up with these scales? The weight just keeps dropping.
Okay, there, I think. 11.6. Going from 580 to 11.6. So I think we're finally there.
We're going to stick at 11.6. Okay. Pull your drives onto the scale without pulling the tandems on, the trailer tandems on the scale. You're there, bring it to a stop. The way those scales are being slow and adjusting, I'm not going to trust these scales. We will rescale the load at a cat scale. See the way they're bleeding off like that?
Yeah.
How it keeps dropping? Makes me think that if the scale's got an air leak in it somewhere. See how it just keeps bleeding off a little bit at a time?
Now it's going back up. $44,300, let's go with that. $44,300 is a combination of our steers and drives. Let's get a weight for total truck. Stop. Let's go with that, 78,220. Go ahead and pull off the scales, go back over there where we adjusted our tandems the first time. So we're going to take our combination weight of our drives and steers, 44,300 minus the 11,600 that we got on the steers. And that puts us at our drives at 32,700 pounds. Then we take the combination weight of the steers and the drives, the 44,300, minus our gross weight, 44,300, of our gross weight is 78,220. And we're at 32,700 pounds on our drives. We're at 33,420 at our trailer tandems. So we're 600 pounds light there. You say we're short a quarter tank of fuel. So at 32,700, quarter tank of fuel is we can carry a total of 250 gallons. So a quarter tank is 60. Okay, so approximately 420 pounds of fuel if we go with a full tank. They'll put us at about 33,100 and 33,420 on our tandems. It's within 300 pounds of being balanced. That's pretty good. We're good to go. And that is how you scale your individual axles when you've got a gross scale weight, one axle at a time. And that concludes our video. Thanks for watching our video. Hope you learned something on it. Y'all have a great day. Remember, you can change the world. Just be nice to each other out there. Bye-bye.